My mom is Mania Mom, and she does many things from metal art to crafts to carpentry and fabrics. Well, one day I walked into her art studio and I saw all of these beads and Levi's and tools, and I was trying to figure out what she was doing. And I was thinking, my, look at all those beads and the fabric homemade twisted garland that she made and some of her bead collection. She has a lot of beads and a lot of Levi's, and she was cutting them out and making these pockets, and I was thinking, what is she going to be doing with those pockets? And so I was really curious, and then all of a sudden I seen this. Wow, look at that. And this took her about 4 months, started in the summer. And I was just amazed at what my mom did for me for Christmas. 25 days of Christmas. And it's been an awesome Christmas. Every day I get to check the pocket and see what she's written for me for encouraging words.
See, that's, and then you pull that up and that tells you what you do for that day.
That's awesome.
Good
job.
You know how long this took me? A long time.
Yeah. Good job. So you're using some bamboo.
From our yard.
This is bamboo from the yard. And we're hanging some stuff.
Pockets from everybody's jeans over the years. Your brother's and yours and mine. None of Daddy's. His is too big.
So you're hanging up. That's awesome. Good job.
Look at that.
You did work really hard.
I made it for you.
I know. It's awesome. Got some more.
I gotta figure out how to put one more line up because I thought I could get 7 on each, but I can't.
So you've got like a stack of these.
They're all down to the wire.
All right. Okay. So vintage shoestring.
Shoe beads. Shoe beads. There's some more on one of the other ones. Haven't you ever seen them in my jewelry box?
Yes, I have.
We used to make things and then we take them apart and make something else.
That's awesome. You did a good job, huh? Good job.
25 of them.
3. Mom's Christmas craft.
Woo! Beautiful thing you ever seen? And I made all of it. This too.
Oh, that's awesome.
I got 2 left and I'm going to put them on the end down there.
Wow, you really made do with this decorative pocket and turned it into something awesome.
I know. I got to get some more beads on it.
And then check this out. Got this. 25 days of Christmas. We're using Levi pockets.
Levi pockets.
Yeah, custom from my mom. She creates this out of her head. She's a craft factory. She's a welder, plasma cutter, and a carpenter, a weaver, a sewer, and a multi-crafter. And we do a booth called Mania Mom at the art shows, and we do really well. So you're doing really good. Beautiful Christmas decorations. And my mom wove these. She did a weaving. That is so cool.
It's December the 4th
Yeah, so
on my daughter's advent calendar.
we've done December 1, December 2nd, 3rd, and now we're at number 4. December 3rd was about
A recipe.
recipe for the grandmother's molasses cookies.
And she's going to start me a recipe book.
And Mom's gonna start me a family recipe book. So it's just cute stuff. Day December 4th.
It's something that you need.
Okay.
Remember when I used to hide the presents in the dishwasher when I left? And you never find them. Never, 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 never.
So,
You're an accomplished guitarist, music teacher.
so I give to you great grandmother's molasses gingerbread cookie recipe. Don't mess with it. Don't omit any steps. Follow exactly. Then it rolls out perfectly. Use cream cheese frosting and frost as you eat them. Enjoy from. So yes, you're going to be working on a recipe. And then this one was this is your Mouse Merry Christmas story. It will be fun and truly your own, and you can keep any moose poop you find. So,
And we have moose antlers out in back.
and this is Casey. You are the star of this event calendar. You are the star of my life. Each day tells a story. This will be fun, like you, and special. This is a gift from my mother to a wonderful daughter. So anyway,
They're all out of pockets.
they're all out of jean pockets. 25 days of Christmas. Yeah.
All recycled.
All recycled from old jeans that just.
Even the fabric is recycled on those Christmas trees that made to the side.
Yes, these are all recycled fabrics. You also weave on a heddle. What's it called?
A rigid heddle.
A rigid heddle. But is this on a rigid heddle?
No, that's on a little tapestry loom from Denmark.
Okay. Oh yeah, the one that I brought you that
Yeah, I
rotates
love
below the twine. So anyway,
And that little person right beside it there is me.
well yeah,
That's me.
yes it is. And so
Recycled.
we did day 4 today, and it was about playing music and guitar and harmonica and playing music instead of doing the dishes. And then tomorrow will be day 5. And then day 6. Recycled bamboo. So anyway, it's just awesome.
I made that because I made that just like all those other ones I've made you. Just give merit to your life because you are an awesome woman.
Oh, Mom, you're awesome. You're the best mom ever. And there's some of her metal art. Our patio's in winter mode right now. We got everything covered. But anyway, you're awesome, Mom. When you do art, you knock it out of the park. You're a heavy hitter. You're awesome, a heavy hitter, just like a baseball player. This is day 1. Day 2. Day 3. Just cute little things. Day 4. So just nice things to say. And day 7, do a ski trip. And day 8. Don't worry, be happy. You know, just some encouraging words. Oh, yes. Thank you, Momma. And day 11, keep creating. Just encouraging words from my mom. And, oh, thank you, Momma. Thank you, Momma. So, and, let's see, we're at, I think we're at day 13. Let's see. Oh, she's talking about cleaning my room. Okay, yeah, clean my room. And so, it's funny. Oh, we can't look at that one. Okay, so, here it is. And, it's awesome. 25 days of Christmas, and each day and here's the extra ones, 24, 25. And then each day I read, Mom is with me, and I go through the day. So tomorrow I will be doing day 14. And so she cuts these out and then puts them on here with special fabric glue. And then there's that one. That's pretty awesome. I just got the best mom. And she sure is talented. And so, and here's the her metal art. Some beads. These are all recycled things, just leftover clippings, you know, from other crafts and odds and ends. Some of it is vintage, something new, used and old, you know, recycled. And of course, this is bamboo that grows in our yard. And so it's pretty neat. You know, we live in a small house, and it's on the back of our kitchen cupboard, because my mom, we do a lot of art, and a lot of the walls are taken up. So we use this as our Christmas display to put our stuff on. So here it is. This is recycled chain from an old lamp. Thank you, Mom. You're awesome. She had a blast doing this. It started during the summer. It took a while. And this is something else that my mom made. And here's the Christmas pine cone tree. And it's got lights, and we've got this, you know, and she made this too on the back, and she made that. And so anyway, this is the tree, and we just set it on the table, and here's another thing that she made. So it's pretty cool. It's wool and old fabrics and layers. So it's pretty nice. It out of the park. This is my mom's metal art that she has out on the patio.
Awesome. Woo!